Hello all, welcome to this day 2 of the dot painting class. So today we'll make a dot mandala, something like this. Use this kind of black chart paper, but if you don't have black chart paper, you can just cut out a circle from a cereal box or some packaging box and then just paint it. So when you are making a mandala, you need to find a center of that circle. So for that I have this very easy method. Just cut out a normal A4 sheet, fold it in half, then one more half and one more half. You will get 8 equal part. And then just cut little bit slit this side and one this side. Open it and you will get a perfect center point. Just mark it all 8 sides and in the middle, and then make a line with your scale or ruler. And now you are ready to start your dot mandala. So for that, first you should choose your all the colors and just keep it ready, and all your dot tools. Put a bigger dot in the center of a mandala. So let's take some color and put a big dot. So I'm using this Fevicol bottle. Take generous amount of paint and put it in the middle. See, it didn't come out proper, so we should take some more paint and slowly just, it is not proper, so we are supposed to take a bamboo stick or some thin toothpick or something and just smoothen it out. So we'll take this stylus tool and put the dots around it. So spacing should be correct. That's why I'm using these lines as guidelines. Just keep dotting. So let's choose the next color, and we'll take the little bit bigger stylus this time, because dot has to be little bit bigger in the next round. Just put it in the middle. Just take your time. Put the dot slowly in the middle of every dot. So let's start with the next round. This time we are taking little bit bigger tool and in the middle. Just keep dotting around the circle. Next round with the next color and little bit bigger tool. So as you can see, I'm using touching the tool very softly to the paper. Now we will wait for it to dry, and then we'll put some top dots and in the middle dots. So this is almost dried. Now we can start putting the top dots. So for top dots, we use the smaller tools so that the down color also is visible. Just in the middle, put the top dot. So this mandala is all done. If you want, you can put more top dots, but I think it looks okay now. So keep practicing. Tag me with your work on Instagram. My ID is in the description. Subscribe to my channel and like and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you.